Welcome to our channel. Learn how to permanently delete WhatsApp messages for complete privacy. These steps ensure messages are removed from both your device and recipients. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat containing messages you want to delete. Step 2. Long press on the specific message you want to delete. You can select multiple messages by tapping each one. Step 3. Tap the trash icon that appears in the top menu bar after selecting messages. Step 4. Choose Delete for everyone to remove the message from all participants' devices. This must be done within 2 days. Step 5. For older messages, select Delete for me. This only removes messages from your device. Step 6. To delete entire chats, go to Chats tab, swipe left on the conversation and tap Delete. Step 7. For complete deletion, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and delete any backups containing those messages. Step 8. Clear WhatsApp cache by going to Device Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, and selecting Clear Cache. Step 9. Remember that Delete for everyone leaves a notification saying message was deleted, maintaining conversation transparency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.